Hi Virgo, welcome to Omkara Tarot and to a quick love reading for you guys. Since I'm busy doing your July readings, I thought I'll do a small love check-in for you. So Virgo, you know the jig. These are not for all of you Virgos out there. So take what works for you and leave the rest. Also, even though they're getting posted now, this is energy around you. You could be going through something like this or will go through this in your immediate future. So let's begin. Dear God, Goddesses, Angels, Spirit Guides, please bless this reading for Virgo and send them the message they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So Virgo, quick reading, just 3 cards each. Person 1, person 2. Now you decide whether you're person 1 or person 2, okay? Bottom of the deck, 10 of Swords. Okay, something just got over, it seems. So let's begin, and thank you all my subscribers. You're keeping me motivated, and yes, do look forward to your July readings are coming up soon. And if you aren't a subscriber, please do hit that button right now and join us. Okay, King of Pentacles, Page of Cups, and the Death card. Something came to an end, and somebody wants to now apologize for it. King of Pentacles, very good king, very, put together. Who is this? Who's this King of Pentacles, Spirit? What happened here? Yeah, earlier maybe they, something happened and they didn't show you love. There was this very nice person who was very successful, had everything put together, came across as a wonderful person, and yep, maybe you guys were lovers as well. There was a very passionate relationship that you shared with them, and then there was a fight. There was a fight where this person did not apologize to you. But now I see them coming forward to you with a Page of Cups. Page of Cups, yeah, with an apology. So what's this Page of Cups, Spirit? Yeah, they are now they're feeling stressed out, okay? Now they're feeling stressed out about whatever happened, and they want to take back control of the way things were. They're feeling pretty defeated at the moment, and they don't know how to come back to you with an apology. Okay, so that's it. Spirit, the Death card, please. What is this transformation about to happen? There was no new beginning. They can't see any new beginning, but they definitely want to put this to rest. They are inside them, they are like shaking right now. They don't know how to come forward to you again, and they have a lot of love for you, that's for sure. They have a lot of love for you. They've realized that, and they want to take back control of the situation. They just don't know how to move forward, okay? And yes, they are a little scared right now, I think, thinking that this is over. Yes, whatever they think that whatever dreams and hopes they had of this long-term potential with you is not going to happen. So they are feeling totally defeated right now. Let's see person 2. Judgment in reverse, 6 of Pentacles, and the Moon card. So now person B is also kind of not feeling their best. They feel, yes, things have not been fair, things have not been right, and even though the offer was there, was probably very small, okay? Person B feels that these were empty promises which were made to them, and what they were actually looking for, yes, Judgment in reverse twice, my God. Okay, person 2 wanted a passionate beginning to move forward, and they wanted an equal give and take. They wanted a relationship which was not just passionate, maybe, yes, passionate definitely, but also which had equal give and take. And they feel that things have not been put right, and person B is in the same mode as person A. Okay, both feel it's kind of over. Both are kind of very emotional. Even person B is in the moon energy right now, feeling very emotional, feeling I don't know what to do, feeling in the hanged man situation where you just don't know, you can't move left, right, front, back, nothing. You don't know what to do, and you're feeling quite sad and quite depressed at the moment. Okay, so now the picture is clear. There was a fight, and both are feeling stressed out. Both don't know what to do. Both feel it's over. Both not knowing how to move forward. So, Spirit, what is the outcome? Okay, okay, and okay. So, Seven of Cups, which is a bit of confusion at the moment. Both trying to keep strong, maybe both also having a little bit of ego. And Spirit says it's time to go within and reflect. So let's see what this means. Yeah, you guys are not using your intuition, not showing the other person maybe that you care. Everything is just in the air. Heart of hearts, this is what you both want. Commitment. But both not showing it. Strength card, Spirit. Yep. Not willing to, come together. Both staying in their ego at the moment. Both not wanting to be the first one to reconcile, I think. Maybe somebody was in and out of your life, or you're finding there's no forward movement at the moment, this time. Hermit, Spirit, what is this Hermit? In the outcome, what is this Hermit? Knight of Swords in reverse, Knight of Wands in reverse. Yep, both not kind of knowing how to move this forward to work together. Okay, not knowing how to take this forward, and both right now in your own thoughts. So, Spirit, I don't think anybody is taking any action. So can you give us a word of advice for Virgo? Can you please give us a word of advice? Okay. Oops. Oh my God. This is such a beautiful relationship. I've never seen cards like this as advice. Spirit says, you both know you love each other, right? You both know your cup is overflowing with love for each other. This is your wish fulfillment, okay? 9 of Cups. You both make each other really, really happy. And yes, this is your soulmate. This is your soulmate. You've known each other before, maybe in this lifetime or a previous lifetime. You have history together. You have beautiful memories with each other together. So it's time to use your intuition and start showing some of this love. Take your love to this person and try and work things out. Okay, that it's very possible to come together and work things out only if you show your love. So try, Virgo, if you can, put your ego down and make an effort. This is a lovely relationship. And yes, there is victory for you. There is victory for you. There will be victory for you. So that's all I have for you, Virgo. See you for your July readings. And non-subscribers, if you're watching, hit the subscribe button right now and meet me next week. Love and light.